Whether you're already married or newly engaged and in the thick of planning your big day, you have definitely come to one realization: weddings are expensive, no cap. The trickiest part about planning a wedding is creating a personalized, beautiful event and emerging with your budget still intact. So how do you save money on your wedding without sacrificing style? Well, welcome to the only channel with the right answers. Like this video and let's get started. Hi there folks, welcome to another episode of Journey to Yes with Nanama. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Nanama, a wedding planner and coordinator with Dream Wedding Planners, and like I always say, I know way too much about the Ghana wedding industry to keep it all to myself. Hence your new internet bestie who is going to help you plan the most stress-free wedding ever. If you and your soon-to-be spouse are like most couples, there's a good chance that there is something you've been dreaming about for your wedding day that's a teensy bit above your budget. A statement-worthy decoration with all the fireworks, not one, not three, but 6 or even 10 stunning outfits, or maybe a 24-karat gold ring worthy of the queen that you are. Here's the thing, all that choices get really expensive. To help couples in the middle of this planning process, I have put together a comprehensive list of experience-driven advice and practical tips to help you save money on your wedding day. The best part? All these tips will help you save money on your wedding without forcing you to sacrifice an ounce of your style or your vision.
Wow! Oh my God!
Let's go. Tip number 1. Hire a wedding planner. This may sound counterintuitive. Hiring a wedding planner will help me save money. Like, how is taking 10 or even 20% of my overall wedding budget going to help me save money? That sounds like another cost you could certainly do without, but it's true. Wedding planners can definitely help you save money. Wedding planners can help you save money in the long run by ensuring that you stay within budget. Not only that, but being in the industry means they have plenty of contacts and connections that can help you land the best deals, discounts, and savings as a result of their expertise in negotiations. In addition, time is money. An experienced planner will handle every little detail so you don't have to stress. So if you are thinking of foregoing a planner in order to save some cash, trust me, hiring one is actually your best bet. Tip number 2. Think carefully about your wedding day. Unless it's a really special date for you, or you have to get married on a certain date for your jobs, then it could save you money if you consider less popular times of the year. What most people don't know or fail to realize is that there are wedding peak seasons, and here in Ghana, that's usually November, December, and January. And because more weddings happen in this period, getting or even booking your dream vendors become quite challenging. That's because their demand exceeds their supply. So it becomes more like a bid. I will come if only you can afford my inflated rates. Meanwhile, outside the peak season, you will find that vendors and venues have lower prices and are able to offer you seasonal discounts that can help you save money. Moving on to tip number 3, consider other days of the week. As well as considering cheaper seasons for your wedding, another way to cut down cost on your wedding is to consider other days of the week. Come to think of it, why do we get married on a Saturday? Is it because it's a traditional thing to do, or it's a weekend and most people are free, or is it most people got married on a Saturday and we all follow suit? Yes, Saturdays are the most popular days for weddings, but who says you have to get married on a Saturday? If you can host traditional weddings on a Thursday or Friday here in Ghana and have people turn in their numbers, then why can't we have weddings on any other day too? While Saturdays are mostly preferred because guests do not need to take a day off from work and can recover or even travel on Sunday, weekday weddings are becoming acceptable. So while it's not as convenient for you and your loved ones, a Wednesday or Sunday or pretty much a non-Saturday wedding date could be the answer to your budget-saving prayers. For example, venues charge more for Saturday weddings than any other day because it's popular and there's more competition. Some wedding suppliers are usually happy to consider reduced rates on days that wouldn't have otherwise been booked. So don't overlook weekday weddings if you are trying to cut down costs. Before we move to tip number 4, if you are finding value in this video, kindly share it with a friend and follow for more. And now, tip number 4. reduce your guest size. Many wedding industry experts will agree that one of the best ways to cut down costs is to cut down your guest size. If your proposed budget may not be best suited to provide a brilliant experience for 200 guests, but is well suited for 100 or even 120 guests, please consider it. When you are getting married, I understand that it's a big deal and you probably want to invite every family member, every friend, every colleague, or even acquaintances. But cutting down on your guest size is the easiest way to reduce your budget. It will lower everything from your catering, your drinks, your stationery, your decor, your everything. Tip number 5, limit the plus ones. One way to limit your guest size is by extending a +1 to only wedding guests that are married, engaged, in your wedding party, or in a serious relationship. Beyond that, don't extend a +1 to every single wedding guest. You see that your cousin that started dating someone new 2 weeks ago? Nope. Don't hurt your budget trying not to hurt someone's feelings.
Good.
Tip number 6. Enlist a smaller wedding party. While your wedding party pays for a lot of expenses themselves, like their travel, their outfit, there are certain items that are traditionally paid for by the couple, like their robes, boutonnieres, bouquets, gifts. Those add up quickly if you have a large number. So if you can swing it without offending anyone, then the fewer bridesmaids or groomsmen you enlist, the less you have to spend. Tip number 7. Cut down on the late night munchies. If you know your wedding reception will run into the night and you want to include after party food to your catering order, don't order for your total number of guests. No, order for like 40 or 50% of your total number. And that is because by the time they start serving, some may have already left, some do not eat at night, and some may be too full from the main menu to even think of eating again, and that will be a total waste of food and money. I have 7 more budget saving tips for you, so follow for part 2. If you need my wedding planning services, I'm going to leave my numbers on the screen. Hit me up and let's get started.